Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide an unpublished Shopify collection. This is particularly useful when you're working on a collection that's not quite ready for your customers to see, or if you want to temporarily remove it from your storefront without deleting it entirely. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the store you want to manage. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your online store. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From this menu, click on Products. This section houses all your product-related settings and inventory management tools. Once you click Products, you'll notice a submenu appears beneath it. From this submenu, click on Collections. This is where you can view and manage all the collections you've created for your store, whether they're published or unpublished. You'll now see a list of all your collections displayed on the screen. Browse through this list and locate the specific collection you want to hide. Click directly on that unpublished collection to open its settings page. This brings you into the detailed view where you can modify various aspects of the collection. Once you're inside the collection settings, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll see a section labeled Publishing. This section controls where and how your collection appears across your different sales channels. Next to the publishing section, you'll notice a button that says Manage. Go ahead and click on Manage. This opens up a dialog box that shows you all the channels where your collection is currently published or available. In this dialog box, you'll see a list of channels, including Online Store. The Online Store option determines whether your collection is visible on your main Shopify storefront. To hide this collection from your customers, simply uncheck the box next to Online Store. This action removes the collection from being visible on your website while keeping it available in your admin area for future use or editing. Once you've unchecked it, click Done to confirm your changes and close the dialog box. You're almost finished. To ensure these changes are properly saved, look at the top of the page and click the Save button. This finalizes all the modifications you've made to the collection's publishing settings. Give it a moment to process and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your unpublished Shopify collection from your online store while keeping it accessible in your admin dashboard for whenever you need it again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.